to explain to you. So now you can get the output. So from the person, you see, look at the person class. So the definition of all these graphics actually defined inside this person class. So that's how you can get the graphics output. So you can get the output. So Timothy, my name is Kalin, my name is Butch, my name is Fowler, I'm a person, this is the class name, 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 and hello, 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 all is the speak. Okay, now I'm going to show you the person class. Okay, actually what functions we have defined there so that we can get this kind of output. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 objects, we got 4 outputs, right? So I'm going to show you the person for Java file, that means person class, how we define all these functions. Okay, so if you know we are going to use the color, directly you can use the command import java.awt.color. Okay, because we're going to use the color here, and also we're going to use the graphics. So you can also import java.awt.graphics. So what happens if you use these 2 commands? Actually, the execution will be very fast because you know already. Otherwise, you can use java.awt.star. Also, you can get the output. Okay, now the name of the function, name of the class is the person class. So you must have to use the same name with the file name person.java. And then is the constructor person. Then we pass the parameter, string type parameter s. xp is the basically the x position. Okay, starting from 0. Then xp count plus multiply 120. Okay, look at here. These are the variables actually we define at the bottom. Okay, so we go back to the bottom here. You look at here. So the private integer xp, private static integer count equal to 0, initial value of the count is 0, and the private string, then define name as string type. Okay, so you're going to use this one at the top. So if you look here, okay, now xp the initial position. So once you want to draw the first object, you see this is starting from 0. The second one is once increase this one, count will be 1, count plus 1 multiply 120. So it will be starting from 120, starting point of x position, then multiply by, so 120, then multiply 2 to 40, then multiply 3. So it will move one by one based on the object we create, and it moves the locations and display the output like this. Okay, so next comes to the draw functions. Okay, look at that. This is the final. We cannot change anything from here. Okay, draw is final, and then we're passing the parameter is the graphics type object is G, from the graphics class object G. Okay, now if you look at these 2 arrays, okay, if you look at these 2 arrays, array AI and array AI1. So this is how many values we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 values here. So these values basically used to create this polygon, 8 lines, 8 points. So it will create the polygons. So later on I'll show you how it create the polygons. Okay, next move to the next command. We use the set color. So initial color we set is color is black. So this will be follow this rectangle. Okay. All right, so color comes here. Set color equal to black. So black color. Now comes to G dot draw rectangle. So we'll draw the rectangle. This is the rectangle, the first one. Look at here, the first one, the rectangle. Then XP, initial value of XP is 0. So I start from 0, and Y value, Y location value is the 10. X coordinate value 0, Y coordinate value is 10. So if this is the one starting from here, this is the 0, 0, this one 0, x 0, and this one, this is the y is 10. So starting point of the rectangle we're going to draw is the 0. Then after that 10, y is 10, y coordinate value. Then we need the width and the height of the rectangle. So this is 100, this is 150. So draw the rectangle. Done. Next comes to the draw oval. So draw oval, basically draw this first oval, the face oval. Okay. So you can draw the oval. Similarly, xp plus 5. That means it's move to the location. Move to the location. Xp plus 5. That means 0 plus 5. Then 15. Y is 15. For example, here. Y is 15 from here. Okay. Then we got the location where we start. Okay. Starting point. Then after that, we need the width and the height of the oval. Width 90, height 110. Okay, then it's draw the oval. Okay, next, another two ovals. This is for the two eyes. The first one, you look at here, xp plus 25, the location, x coordinate location here. Okay, then 40 y. Y location is 40. So x coordinate value and y coordinate value, we got the value 25, 40. Then the size of the oval is 15, 15, 15 by 15. Create the oval. Okay, next oval is for the next eye. Okay, so xp plus 60. xp, this one oval, right? So its location is x location coordinate value is 60, y is 40, right? Then again the same size 15 by 15. Okay, so it create the eyes. So next one, draw line. This is the nose. Draw line is xp 0 plus 50, location 50. Okay, location 50. Then xp plus 50, y also location 50. Then the line, draw the line. Okay, so this one xp 50, 50. This one is the 1 point. So this point, and another one is the 50, 70. X is 70. The first one is the 50, 55. This point. And second point for line drawing, 50, 75. 50, 75. So draw the line. Okay, draw the line. Next, we draw the arc. Okay, this is very interesting. How you can draw your mouth, right? So use the arc here. So first time, look at here, the location. Okay, x coordinate location and y coordinate value. So this is 20, 50. So for example, 20, 50, this location, correct? Okay, now from here, it will draw the rectangle. Okay, it will draw the rectangle. Okay. What is the size of the rectangle? 60, 40. For example, rectangle is 60, 40. Okay, now after that, how you draw the arc? So we need the angle. For example, we have, this is 180, this is we consider as 90. So the arc angle, the first angle is, starting angle is 210. For example, is straight line, 180. Then 180 plus here, for example, here is 30. So 200. So this is the one angle is here. Okay, so next here 120. This one is 90 plus 30. Say another one is here. Okay, then draw the arc. Draw the arc. Similar way. Okay, another arc. 50, 55. Starting point 50. That means 50, 55. One. Then, sorry, 25, 25, 45. Starting point x location, y location. Then 50. And 55, that means width and the height of the rectangle. So it will draw the rectangle here. And then 200 angle, the first angle, 180. So it is 200 plus 20. 200, for example, this is the one angle. If you think about the angle from here to here, okay, angle. And then 140, this side, 140, 90 plus 50, somewhere else here. Then it draw the arc. Okay. So it draw the arc. Okay, now comes to the lip already created. Okay, two arcs. Make the lip. Then it comes to next. This is the, we call the polygon. That means the trace. Okay, so use the for loop. I equal to 0, I less than 8. That means it will loop how many times? 0 to 7. 8 times. Then it will take the value from AI0. Then after that, it create one by one the polygon. Okay. Okay. So set color, dress color. What is the dress color for this one? So it immediately goes to the dress color, and it will take the value, return value from the color will be green. So it will take the green color, right? So green color. Okay. For the polygon, from create the polygon. Okay. So now we use the command we call the fill polygon, and we'll take the value. How many values it will take? It will take the value 8. Okay, 8 pair of values. Okay, so start from AI0, then AI1. It will take from here. Okay, 0, 1, 30. The first location of the point. 0, for example, 0, 1, 30. 130, for example, this is the one. For example, 1. Okay, then next 30, x is 30, y is 120, y is 120. Next, x is 30, x is 30, correct? Y is 135, this one. Okay, so drawing here, from here. Now move to the next, 70, then means x is 70, x is 70, x is here, and the y is 120. From here, y is 120 to this point. Then next, move to the next point. So x is 70, x is 70, y is 120. Okay, before that, x is 70, y is 135. Now here. Okay, now x is 100 here. Okay, and x is 100, then y is 160, this point. Okay, next point, x is 0 here. X is 0, then y is 160. Now we draw this one. Okay, start from here, then draw the dress. Okay, so we draw the dress. Okay, next come to again set color. Again, set color comes to black. Okay, so follow the rest of the output, follow the black color. Okay, if you look at here, okay, look at here. Okay, draw string. My name is, then we pass the parameter name, then the location. Which location? My name is starting from 0, 220. Y is 220, XP, the first one. For example, start from 0 location. And then it will show you this is speak. First is the draw string speak. This location 0, 200. Hello. Okay. So look at the speak function. What is the actual output coming from here? Hello. Right. So we got the hello. Next one is display my name is Timothy. That means this is coming from the passing parameter, the name. If you look at the my friends, what we pass? Timothy. So it will show you that name here. Okay. So that means the my name is the Timothy. Which location? For example, XP is 0, 220 is Y location. So it comes here 220. My name is Timothy. Correct. And the last one, the last draw string I am a. Then it will name of the class. It will get through the function we call get class name. And which location? Is 0, 240. This is for first, you know, the output, the first object. Okay. Next object move to here. Then next will move to here. Next object move to here. Correct. So now we got the class, get class name. So how actually we can get the class name? There is a function we define here, get class name. From this function we can get the class name we use here. Okay. So string to string, and then after that they use the index of, and they use the return type is substring. So we get from this function name of the class. Okay. So I hope you understand this one. Now I move forward to go to the next one. Okay. So now move forward, next one.